Hello guys, this is Trisha with another reaction video. Today I'm going to do a reaction video on Diana Acapulco, whatever her name is. She's going to be singing Makba. So let's get started. So beautiful, huh? This girl right here have a really strong, beautiful voice. It's strong. Just keep listening to her voice. Her voice is different. I love it. Just keep listening. Wow, listen to her. So different. Do you hear her voice? And all the judges love her. Let's keep on watching. You know, the more I hear her, I think she sounds like Cher. To me, I really think she sounds like Cher. But let's keep watching. Like a young Cher. I'm trying to tell you, that lady sounds like Cher. And these judges want to turn over. She deserves it. She sounds beautiful. This lady sound amazing. I'm trying to tell you, she gonna go far. Diana, you gonna go far, girl. Let's keep on watching. Okay. There you go. Yes. Wow. Listen to her voice. So strong. Are you guys listening like I am? Let's keep on watching. All the judges are turning around. There you go. Beautiful, beautiful, just beautiful. I can listen to this lady all day long because she have not only a beautiful voice, she have a pleasant voice. So let's keep on watching. Oh, wow. Wait, no more. I think there's one more judge got to turn around. Okay. There you go, girl. Yeah, sing it, girl. Wow, powerful, huh? Very powerful. Wow. All I can say is wow to this lady. You know what? Just wow. Let's keep on watching. Ooh-wee. Wow. This lady is amazing. That is the end of the song, and it's called Makba. I think that's what it's called. But whatever it called, she sounded amazing. Guys, I want to thank you guys for listening to this reaction video. Thank you guys for watching this reaction video. Make sure you guys give it a big old thumbs up or big old thumbs down. It's still okay. And if you're not a friend of mine on Trisha's Life, hit me up over there. And if you're not a friend of mine on Trisha's Motivation and Reaction, hit me up here too. Make sure you guys have an amazing day. See you later. Bye-bye.